Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I ordered office chair. This is 8-point massage chair. This is office chair that I ordered. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This office here, this is Blisswood. So basically this office chair is with adjustable seat height and footrest. This chair is self-assembly. This is the information pack. Blisswood, we make your beautiful home instruction office chair. Office chair, black, gray, brown and cream. This one is brown color. So we have M6 Allen key supplied and components and component parts. This is the armrest. See, I'm sure this is the bottom part. This is another part here. This is another armrest. This is the bottom part. And this is the backrest. This is for the legs. This one is casters, 5 in number. This will go at the back, which is gas lift. This is the mechanism. Base connector. This is control. This is Allen key and all the tools that you need. The power cable. So the casters 5 in number, and this is the pole. No, this is the base. So the base is 5. So we have the base are 5 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See what it looks like. So this is what we have here. You see the base will go in here. So this is part of the base. So this is what we have here. This is nice seat office chair. This is nice chair, office chair. Thought to show you what I ordered online. This office chair features an 8-point massage system that targets your upper and lower back, hip, and the massage function provide relief from tension and help to reduce stress, allowing you to walk more comfortable and efficiently. Adjustable seat height and footrest. The chair has an adjustable seat height that allow you to find the perfect position for your desk or work. Comfortable and ergonomic design. The chair is designed with comfortable and ergonomic in mind, providing a supportive and comfortable seat for long hours of work. Recliner and high quality material. The chair is made of high quality that are durable, long lasting. Swivel capability. Relax and take a break with this chair. Adjustable recliner. Angle 90 to 135 degree and 360 degrees swivel function. Easy to assemble. The chair comes with all the necessary hardware and instruction for easy assembly. with minimal effort. You can have your chair set up and ready for use in no time. Versatile use. So guys, this is something that I thought to show you, unboxing and overview of this chair, and it deserves your attention. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.